Hey y'all, Kaya and Lauren here of WayUpGoodies. Today we are going to attempt to make our very first cheesecake, mini cheesecakes. We're gonna use these cupcake tins, cupcake pan here. So we're gonna make this using 2 of our infused items. We have our sugar, delicious, pretty strong. This is a tablespoon of our infused sugar. This is 4 tablespoons of our infused butter, unsalted butter. And then we have some graham crackers. This is obviously for the crust. 8 ounces of cream cheese. 1/4 cup sour cream. Full fat sour cream. Don't buy light sour cream. And 1 egg. Alright. Ready? I'm nervous. Cheesecake. You know, people don't play about their cheesecake. This is 4 tablespoons. Softened butter. 1 cup of graham cracker. But I don't know if we're going to use the whole cup. We're going to see what it looks and feels like. What's that look like? I don't know. Let's add some sugar. Okay. I'm going to use my hands.
Looks like, I don't know, graham cracker fries?
I don't know. I think so.
That was supposed to be, right? It's supposed to be flaky.
Yeah.
I think. But not like dry.
Yeah.
Oh, get that butter in there, baby.
Okay. We are using 1/8 cup measuring spoon. Just to make just so we can make sure that all the crusts are the same. Okay.
Alright, push down on it. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
It's not. Alright.
It's in there.
Okay.
Those look like some good cups to me.
I think. Okay.
Now action.
Now. Let's get our filling together. This is the best part.
What's that?
Huh?
What is it?
That's 8 ounces. Oh, 8 ounces of cream cheese. And now we have a 1/4 cup sour cream. We have vanilla. Mexican vanilla that my mom got from Mexico. Delicious. Strong. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon and some extra. Of vanilla.
Okay.
Okay. Let's get this. Okay. We're gonna put an egg. One egg. I don't know, that looked like a lot of eggs, but that's what the directions say. Stir, stir, stir. So we forgot the sugar, so we have to add sugar. I tasted it and it don't taste good. So, a 1/4 cup of sugar we need.
I think you're supposed to sit it on a level surface.
Yeah, I know.
That's a lot for a 1/4 cup.
Look. Oh.
Yeah, that's 1 cup.
Shut up.
Look at it.
Check that out. No. Shut up. All right.
I'm leaving it in. Oh, perfect. Look at that.
Perfect, my butt. That ain't nobody's 1/4 cup. Okay.
I'm not really sure where you're getting your measurements from.
I'm looking at the 1/4 mark. It's not there. Alright.
Okay, we'll go with that.
Okay. Let's pour that in. Okay. Now let's try again. Okay, let me get these sides.
Oh.
Better?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. It just tastes like cream cheese and sour cream. Would have been terrible. Okay. That looks like something. Right? I mean, it's still got a couple.
You look like something to me. Well, we don't have a KitchenAid, so it's the best it's gonna get right now.
Okay.
Can you please just put it in the goddamn thing?
Oh shit! Alright.
That's what I'm saying. It don't taste bad.
It's alright.
I mean, it ain't like award winning. You got
No, it is
the
not.
recipe, but
Alright. Wait, should I use another thing? I'm gonna use this one. Should this one be too much? That's alright.
ooh wee.
Right? It's cute. We're gonna take our cheesecakes, our little mini cheesecakes. They're so cute. Hopefully they taste delicious. We're gonna put them in the oven on 350 for about 18 to 20 minutes. We're gonna do, I think we're gonna do 18 minutes.
Ooh, bottom right?
I guess.
You living on the edge, baby.
But I don't know. The directions didn't say what right, so. And I'm not moving it. There we go. Alright. Don't burn yourself like I did. They've been in there for 18 minutes. And now we are going to let them rest. Cool. Room temperature for 30 minutes. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So, here are our finished mini cheesecakes. They're so good. So cute. Nice and creamy and sweet. The recipe was super easy. It did say that they would sink in the middle, but ours didn't. I don't know what that means, but they taste alright. And here's, oh, let's see. There we go. Inside of one. Again, super good. So hopefully you all try this recipe. Let us know what you think. If you changed anything, if you did exactly what we did but got something different or something that looks a little better, I don't know. Let us know. in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe, and your side piece to subscribe, and your mama, everybody. Okay? Say bye, cheesecakes.